Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to... Knapford Station is just ahead. What type of wagon should we help pull? Excellent! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the squad. Excellent! That was off the rails. Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Right leads to the lava. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Excellent! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? That's perfect! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Where to now? Right leads to the Great Waterton Station is coming up. Forward leads to the Great Waterton Station is coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engine go, go, go!